Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Loss Prevention Database. So up here in the Small Business section, you're going to want to select the Access Loss Prevention Database. Go ahead and click that. And you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you are currently running on. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once it downloads, go ahead and open it. And you're going to want to just go ahead and extract all of that file. So go ahead and extract that. Go ahead and open that once you've done that. And as always, you get a pop-up box that shows that this template has a potential security risk or warning. Reason being is because it's coming from the internet, so your computer views it as a potential security risk or warning. And I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open this. And as always, with all of our database templates, you get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm just going to go ahead and close this for now. And so what this database template really would be good for is if you owned a small company, or a small business, such as you sell clothes, you sell food, anything like that, a small business, and you want to keep track of all the people that have shoplifted from you and other stuff stolen from you, shoplifted, damage to your store, anything like that, and you want to just keep a list of all those offenders so you can know not to let them back in your store. So what we're going to start off with is we're going to add a new offender. So we're just going to make up a name. Say Mr. Alex Smith, and we're not going to fill out all of his information, but we're going to fill out some of this information. We're going to fill out the email, just put in a fake one, and we'll put in his business phone number. But as you can see, you can fill out his address line. You can even input a picture of the customer, which that would be really good for this particular database. And you can put in notes and their offense history. So it's a pretty detailed section. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close this. And so now if I want to search offenders, I can search for that Alex Smith I just created. Type in Alex Smith. Or just I'll type in Smith for the last name, and there's that offender. And now if I double click it, I can view the record, and I can also edit the record. So if I want to update the record or anything like that, I can do that. I'm, however, not going to do that for now, so I'm going to close out of that. Close out of this. And now what you can do is you can actually view the offenses calendar. So you can view it in daily form, weekly form, bi-weekly, monthly form. This is what the monthly form looks like. But we're going to go daily form, and we are going to create an offense, someone that he shoplifted. So we're going to go 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. The offender is the offender I just created. The employee who is taking note of this is we're going to put as person 1. And we're going to make it just 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. just for the sake of the demonstration. Type shoplifting and location 1. And we're also going to put a certain color. We're going to put green, and the reason being is that so if we had multiple offenses back to back to back and they were all the same color, you obviously would not look very organized. But if you have a bunch of offenses back to back, you can set a color for it and you'd be able to tell the difference in the time differences between the two. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close that, and there that is, shoplifting at location 1. I can even go to the monthly view. There's shoplifting at location 1. So I double click that, it brings back to the daily form. I can double click it and I can see the person, Alex Smith, the time, the person who is recording this. So it's pretty cool. Go ahead and close out of that. And you could also, if you're having multiple offenses a day, you could search for days. So like the day it occurred. Today we're gonna run that search, and there's that shoplifting offense that we had. And so if you had a bunch of offenses all in one day and you just wanted to view the ones for particularly that day, this would be a great function for that. Go ahead and close that out for now. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template Walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, or you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template Walkthrough, and have a great day.